In this video, I'm going to introduce the concept of exterior angles of triangles. And as you can see, it says the exterior or external angle of a triangle is the angle between one side of a triangle and the extension of an adjacent side. So what does that mean in plain English? That means if I've got this triangle, XYZ, and I extend one of its sides, it could be this side, it could be this side, it could be that side, doesn't matter which side, the angle that's formed by that extension, in other words this angle, W, that's an exterior angle. And when you form an exterior angle, you also end up with what are known as remote interior angles, and there are two of them. And what are the remote interior angles? They are the two angles inside and opposite of the exterior angle. So they're not the angle next to or adjacent to the exterior angle. They're the two angles that are opposite or across from it. So here we can see that the remote interior angles of W would be Y and X. And at this point you're probably thinking, well, why do I care about that? Well, the reason you care about it is because it's a very interesting relationship between these remote interior angles and this exterior angle. And what that relationship is, very simply, is this, is that if you take the measure of those two interior angles, let's see, that would be measure of angle X plus the measure of angle Y, that actually ends up equaling the measure of angle W. In other words, if I add X and Y together, what they measure, they will equal W. And that can be very useful when I'm asking you to find either one of the remote angles, one of the exterior angles, or one of the remote interior angles, as we're about to see. In this example, I've got the exterior angle number 3 here, and its remote interior angles would be these two. And if I need to find what the measure is of angle 3, well, I know that the measure, of angle 3, I think you can see that, slide that over just a tad, the measure of angle 3 is going to be equal to 53 degrees plus 61 degrees, because I know that these remote interior angles, their sum is the same as the measurement of the exterior angle. And what will the measure of angle 3 be? It's going to be 53 plus 61 is 114 degrees. And that's how we use remote interior angles to find the measure of an exterior angle.